Is this thing on? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is Amie Lynn. I look like I'm wearing pajamas, but I'm not. It's a shirt. So today I am doing an unboxing haul. I was just gonna make this 2 videos, but I decided to make it into one because I got some stuff from Pacsun as well as American Eagle, and the Pacsun is really not that much, so I didn't want to really make that an entire video. So I added in to this one. You guys don't really care, you just want to see what I got. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, here is my box of goodies, like I told you. So this video may be a little long. I did order a bunch of stuff online because of quarantine. Our malls still aren't open. I've actually had this box for a while now. I just haven't gone through it. I did a big order on American Eagle because they were having a huge sale. Plus, I have a credit card with them, and they were giving me tons of discounts, and it's a mess. And then Pacsun was doing like buy one get one for $1 cent. So I was like, I cannot pass this up. So let's just jump right into the video. We're gonna start with Pacsun first. The first thing I got from Pacsun is this cute AF bathing suit. It is high-waisted. This is from LA Hearts. I got these in a size medium bottom and then a small top. That's why I like Pacsun bathing suits, because you can buy your bathing suits separate. And the top just looks like this. It is strapless, which I'm not a big fan of strapless bikinis, but when I seen this one, I had to have it because it was on a more petite model, and her boobs were small like mine. So I was like, if this fits on her, I've got to be fine with it. So I got that, and it actually fits really well, as you guys can see. Like, I'm obsessed with that. I did get another bikini, and this one is actually in size small for the top and the bottom. It's just yellow like this, and yeah, it has more of the rigid material. I don't really know what it's called, but it's rougher, and the green one is more smooth. But the bottoms are basically the same. They're LA Hearts, and they're high-waisted. And then the top is just the basic straight across top that's in style right now. I can't hold this up to save my life, but it just looks like that. It's yellow, super cute, fits phenomenal, and I did get them in 2 different sizes, and you're probably wondering why. I basically, when I online shop, I make sure I look at the model and see how they're built, see how they're shaped, and then I look at details and see what size bathing suits they're wearing. I know, crazy, but that's what I do, and I pretty much am always spot on. Just like the green one, the bikini was on a very petite female, and I'm a little thicker, so I was like, if she's wearing a small, I definitely need a medium. And then the yellow bikini was on like a thicker model. She wasn't thick, but she was thicker, and she had on a small, so I was like, I could do a small in that as well. So as you can see in the try on, I did perfect with that. The next thing I got from Pacsun is this freaking super cute dress. I actually saw it in green and I wanted it, but it was out. I don't know why I'm obsessed with the green at this moment. I don't really know. Like, if you look at my Instagram, honestly, I only have 2 pictures on there that are in green, but they were like back to back, and I was like, what is wrong with me? But I don't know. I've been obsessed with green lately, but this one is also cute. It is a peach color, and it has just little flower details all over it. And then right here on the left leg, it just scrunches up, and you can pull it down, pull it up, whatever, and then it just ties. The string is a little long, but I think we can make do. Other than that, it is super cute, and then the back, it just zips up like halfway, and then the back is open. So I'm so excited about this. I love a nice summer spring dress. Just throw it on and go. The next thing I bought a sweater because although it is summertime in California, I get a little cold, especially when we're like at the beach at night or whatever, just chilling in the house, watching a movie, I get cold and I needed a cute sweater just to throw on. So I got this white sweater because, like I said, everything was buy one get one a cent. Why would I not buy this? But it is a little crop. It's super cute. It's long sleeve. It's a sweater. And yeah, there's not much to say about it. It's like a creamy white color. And I am so excited about it. It's very thick too, so I don't really know how often I'll be wearing it during the summer, but if not, I still have it for winter. All right, the last thing I got from Pacsun are these pants. They look huge, but on there, they're fine. I could have gotten a small, but I actually like the way these mediums fit. So yeah, I did get them in a medium. They're high-waisted. The buttons look crazy right now, but it just buttons down and zips. Hold on. Ties right here in the front, and like I said, they're high-waisted. And then the back just looks like that. It's like a loose jean jogger. That's what I would explain it as. So yeah, the pants just bunch right here at the bottom of the leg. You'll see on the try on, like, they're so cute and flattering, especially like with a little tight crop top, just to like balance out the baggy with the tightness. Does that make any sense? I don't know, but I'm excited to wear those. What we've all been waiting for, the American Eagle huge haul. So the first thing I got, I'm going to show you guys, are some Birkenstocks. And you're probably like, Birkenstocks, American Eagle? Yes, they sell Birkenstocks on their online site. So I went ahead and picked these up because, like I said, I had a bunch of discount codes, 20% off of this, $30 off of that, everything. Like, I had every freaking discount you could think of. So I went ahead and bought these because I've been wanting them anyways. And I was like, why not get them here and I don't have to pay full price? So they just look like this. They're like the gray brown tone. I don't really know how to explain it. They're not like the dark brown like everyone wears. They're more of like a gray tone. But yeah, I feel like this would have matched more stuff. But yeah, I've always wanted Birkenstocks. I have like the Madden girl ones, Steve Madden ones, whatever they are. But they're a little worn out, so I decided to buy the real thing. And I'm excited for them. Like, perfect for everything. And plus, I live right by the beach, so throw them on and go. First thing I got are these shorts. They're just like little lounge shorts, or like you can wear them at the beach, cover up. You can wear them grocery shopping. It doesn't really matter. You can wear them with a cute outfit. I don't really know. It just has a pocket right here on the right butt cheek. I got these in a size small. Weird. I don't know why I didn't buy them in a medium, but I got these in a size small, and they just have like this rope detailing string, and it's a real string. It works. But yeah, just cute, simple shorts. Like, they have the jean little detail, even though they're not really jean. All right, the next thing I got, I honestly don't remember purchasing this, but it came to my front door with my name on it, so I was like, I guess so. It's just a white tank top, and it's weird because it came by itself. I placed one American Eagle order and they like separated everything, like just send it to me fast, but this shirt literally showed up to my doorstep by itself, and I don't ever remember putting it in my cart. But it's whatever. It's just a t-shirt. Like, if I don't really want to wear it, I can wear it to sleep in. It's just a basic little, what do they call them, wife beaters, t-shirt. Just can wear it anywhere with whatever. Like I said, I might just wear it to like sleep in. And next thing I got, I absolutely love their bralettes. I have like 30 of these. Who knows? I did have a white one for like 4 years now, and I was like, it's time to upgrade, because literally it had holes all in it from me like pulling it on and off, and it's a hot mess. But they're super cute. They're very affordable. And like I said, I had the other one for 4 years before I decided to go ahead and get another one. And this is in a size small. That shirt I showed you guys a second ago, that was also in a size small. So yeah, if you don't know and you're new here, I mostly buy all my tops in smalls and all my bottoms in mediums. All right, the next thing, some of it I've never opened yet. Oh, okay, I remember this. It's just a green little t-shirt. Well, it's not little. It's a little oversized in a size small. It has like purpley, yeah, that's purple and white little stripes. It just looks like this. Just a simple t-shirt to throw on. I do like tie all my t-shirts in the center just because I like that look rather than this just like hanging over my pants. So I'm excited about this. It's super soft. Like you can wear this literally anywhere, like in 100-degree weather. Like this feels like butter. I don't even know. That it's so soft. It's so soft. I think this is another t-shirt like that one. This one's a little more tough like a t-shirt though. Yeah. Oh, this is kind of cute. Guys, this is my first time looking at the stuff just with you. Okay, so this is another oversized t-shirt. These sleeves are a little open, so like it's really like gonna look like more like a muscly oversized t-shirt. But it's just gray, and then it has like dark gray distress in it, kind of like a marble or like a tie-dye. That's what's in right now. And this is also in a size small, and like I said, it is oversized, so it looks so big. I don't know if I'm gonna tie this one because it does have the side details where it's cut out on the side. So I don't know, maybe we'll see in the try on how I decide to style this. But super cute, super simple. So I got this white little bra. It's actually under the bandeau section, so I guess you could wear this to work out. It has a really nice material. Like I feel like it would suck up sweat very well, so I might just wear this like for a workout bra. If not, just lounge around the house, or for an undergarment. Like I said, it was listed under bandeau. It's just super cute, super simple. It does have the pads inside, and yeah, and then it has like the, what do you call this? I don't know. When they like, you guys know, leave it in the comments. You know what I'm talking about. I don't know. Ribbed detailing. But yeah, it's just super cute, simple, and white bra. The last shirt I got, let's see what this is, because I have no idea. Okay, this is cute. Alright, so this is like a creamy color, creamy peachy color. I don't really know. I would say more like a yellowy cream. This is in a size small. It does look a little cropped, but my torso's kind of short, so it'll probably be regular. And then the sleeves are already folded, which I love because when I wear like oversized t-shirts or any t-shirt at all, I normally just roll the sleeve because it just gives a cuter little detail. But I'm excited for this. This is cute, and this is like a very, very nice thick material, but it feels like it's still breathable. So that's exciting. All right, and then I got 3 pairs of shorts. The first ones I got are these white ones. These are in a size 6, and these are mom shorts. I'm kind of iffy on these already. I haven't even tried them on, but they are white, so I don't know why white jeans and stuff just automatically was like, hey, I want to be see-through, and it's just like, okay. But yeah, they just look like this on the front. They just look like this in the front, distressed on both sides, and the bottom lip is rolled up, and then the back is just 2 pockets with the American Eagle sign, whatever. And they are stretch, even though that didn't show you guys anything. They are stretch. So yeah, I don't know, hopefully they're cute on, but they're kind of see-through. Like just me holding them up, I can see. So the next pair I got are blue jean shorts. I have tons of blue jean shorts, but I feel like I always go for like that one pair that I know looks good with everything. So I just got another pair. These again are size 6, and they're mom shorts, and I think it's honestly the same style as the white one. They're just in blue, distress on this side, a little distress on that side, and then the back just looks like this. These are really cute. I'm excited to try these on. Yeah, hopefully these look good on. I see a lot of girls like wear the curvy mom shorts because it doesn't have like as much back gapping, but I didn't think about that until after I pushed purchase online. So the last thing I got are these black shorts that I'm already obsessed with. They look a little short, but they're so freaking cute. These are the high-rise shorty, and they are in a size 6. They're called Next Level Stretch. I don't know what that means. Wow. Well, the other ones didn't stretch up here, so okay. Oh wow, yeah, these are really stretchy. But they just look like this. Distress over here, distress over there, and they don't have the fold up, which actually I like because I feel like these I don't have to pull down as much because they don't really grab my thigh. So I'm excited about these. They are really short, but I live in California. Nobody really cares over here. So super cute, black. I needed black shorts. I have black shorts that are like faded because they're like 3 years old. So yeah, I'm excited. Thank you guys if you watched this far. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I will have everything linked down below if I can, because that was kind of a lot. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to wear all of this stuff. Summertime is just around the corner. If not, when you guys see this video, it's already summertime. I have no idea, but I'm excited for it. Hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying the weather because it is beautiful here in California. But I keep looking at the viewfinder. I apologize. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.